Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be unboxing this beautiful ARTESTIA grilling stone set. This is a Christmas gift from my daughter and I'm excited and can't wait to use it. Now, that was just wrong to tease us with that thick juicy steak and grilled shrimps covered with some rosemary. But anyway, let's move on and take a closer look at the set. On the side of the box, it shows you the different pieces that comes with the set. It also shows you how to prep the stone before using it. On the opposite side of the box, you will also find cooking tips. This is the bamboo platter. It's also called the bamboo underplate. It has many functions. It holds the sauce bowls and it also holds the hot stone and the stainless steel tray. I like that it has two indentations on both sides of the platter so that I can have a good grip when I'm moving it around. On the back of my platter, each end has a rubber support to protect my countertops. As far as the weight, it is lightweight and it's about 4 centimeters thick. Next, I have the stainless steel tray that holds the hot stone. It fits perfectly in the designated space on the bamboo plate. It also comes with 2 heavy stone slabs, and it came with 3 small ceramic bowls, which is for my sauces and my condiments. The 3 bowls sit in the 3 circles next to the stainless steel tray. As you can see, each piece has a designated space which makes it easy to assemble. Lastly, the stone sits very snug on the stainless steel tray. It came with an instruction sheet with safety precautions on how to use the stone and a few good recipes to get me started. So in the comments below, let me know if you guys want to see me try a few of the recipes. My daughter also got me these heat resistant gloves. They do not come with the set. The regular oven mitts cannot be used with the stone. According to the manufacturer, these gloves can sustain over 1,000-degree heat. So, the stone has to be heated at 525 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. So it does make sense to get a good heat-resistant glove to maneuver the stone, because you could get up to a 3rd-degree burn with it if you don't use the proper glove. So once the stone is heated, I could take it safely to the bamboo platter. So I can't wait to show you guys when I use it for the first time. Also, I can't wait to share with you guys the recipes that I have in mind for this hot stone. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.